On task, you can see a list of your tasks ordered by status. You can also search these easily and filter it by the user or the status. You can add a task quickly from the top button. Now, this is a task that we've already added, and you can see it shows me here what that task is related to. So you can create a task related to a grant report, a client, or a funder. So you can create a task related to anything. Tasks can be your to-do list, or they are a history of your cultivation and outreach that you're doing with your foundations or clients. By default, the user who creates the record will be the one to be the user on the task. If you want multiple people to be able to work together, you can also add collaborators. Once you tag a collaborator, they will see this deadline on their user dashboard. They'll see it in their deadlines, and they'll also get those email reminders as well. You can also tag someone in a task. So if we click another user, what will happen is that he will actually get an email about the task. So it will tell him, hey, Aaron, we need you to get the new budget. What will also happen is he will start getting those reminders on tasks as well.